I hope you are doing really well. Welcome back. It is unboxing day. The March boxes went out last week. We're a little bit later than usual getting the video up, but we're here and I've got the classic and the luxury boxes here to show you. I don't usually show you the mini box because it's a smaller version of the classic box, so you get an idea of what goes into it anyway. But here we are. So March, the first month, supposedly, of spring. Supposedly. So the theme for this month is fresh. As I mentioned a couple of months ago, I thought I would have a go at just using a single word to theme the boxes around and sort of go for a concept. So the idea with these boxes was the joy, maybe I'm getting old, maybe it's just me, I don't know, but the joy of being able to pre-wash and hang your fabric outside to dry, nothing quite beats it. So that was the general idea and where we started off with these boxes. Bit out there, a bit random, but there we go. I know I can't possibly be the only one. So every box gets the magazine, which has loads of amazing inspiration in it from our amazing community. We've got a interview with the company who has a pattern in the luxury box, a make of the month. We've got the ladies, gorgeous ladies who make something in advance and write about it. We've got Tamlin's fat quarter tutorial, making a peg bag, which again just perfectly fits the theme, and some other awesome goodies in the magazine, some of which will be up on the blog in the upcoming weeks. So yes, there we go. Magazine, awesome inspiration and content. So here is the classic box. There are 3 different colorways of the fabric in the classic box, so I'll show you the other ones as well. First of all, we always get a 100-meter reel of Gutermann thread that matches the main fabric. Then there's always a sweet treat. This month, there's only one in this box. There was supposed to be 2, but I ate one whilst I was waiting for Andy to fiddle around with the sound issue that we were having. Then every box has a water-soluble marking pen. So it's kind of chalk and it's retractable. There was a blue or a white, and yeah, you can retract it back down so that it doesn't snap as well, and then it washes away when you wash your fabric or give it a little spritz with some water. Perfect. Then the little gift this month that went into the classic and luxury boxes was this rather delicious smelling bar of eucalyptus, lemon and mint soap from the Clovelly Soap Company, who are based in Devon. They have some incredible scented soaps on their website. Go over and take a look. But I went for this one because what is fresher than a combination of eucalyptus, lemon and mint? I ask you. I don't think there is anything much fresher. And I know from seeing everyone's Instagram posts that the smell was hitting people as they were opening their boxes, which is lovely. So we were hitting all the senses this month, which always is nice. Then the fat quarters are this gorgeous set. So there's 4 in the classic, 3 in the mini, and the full set of 5 in the luxury boxes. These were designed by Stuart Hillard for the Craft Cotton Company. They're called Indigo Elements, and they are inspired by the ancient natural art of indigo dye techniques, with these lovely nature-inspired designs and motifs as well. So all these different blues, whites and blues in different shades, absolutely stunning. And I'm definitely going to make Tamlin's peg bag and turn it into a tutorial for you for a week or 2's time. Okay, the main fabric that went into the boxes this month is a fabric that we haven't had in the boxes before, that I can recall anyway. Let me move this over here. It was this absolutely stunning viscose crepe. Like I said, there were 3 different colours. So this is a real creamy white background with purple, green, pink and yellow tones. This sort of big, bold, almost tropical leaf print design on there. Just so gorgeous. And I cannot wait to see what you make. I think blouses. I am seeing so many blouses in these fabrics. So this was the white one. Then over here there was also this absolutely stunning lilac. This is just a little remnant piece. Unfortunately, I don't have any of the lilac left, or much of the white left, to be honest, either. But this was the lilac one, which has this gorgeous, like really bright, bold terracotta and purple and green colours in. Love that as well. I'm really sad that there's none of this one left, actually. Obviously, I am a lilac lover, part of the Lilac Lovers Club. So there was that one, and then there was also this really gorgeous navy. And the idea with these viscose crepe obviously is very floaty, and I just thought, honestly, the big like reason for going for this one was, can you just picture it blowing in the breeze on the washing line? I know, it's crazy. Andy's just burst out laughing. But these are the things I think about. I can't be alone, surely. Please tell me I'm not alone. But look, this is the really stunning navy, which again has purple and pink and greens and yellows, and is just so beautiful. I have some of this as well. There's a little bit of this that will be up on the outlet shop too. And yes, I think I'm going to make some Anna Allen Anthea blouses out of this one and the luxury fabric too. Beautiful. So those are the fabrics in the classic box and the mini boxes. Pop that over there. Okay, onto the luxury box, which I have here. I've taken the tissue paper out because we were just photographing these boxes as well. But these are nice and full and squishy. So obviously we have the magazine, some thread to match one of the colours in the luxury box. It was a bit of a tricky one. It was a bit of a toss-up. This box actually has both sweets and the Clovelly. So I thought it was Clovelly, but my sister assures me it's Clovelly. The retractable, soluble marking pen. The full set of 5 even, fat quarters. I think this was the one that wasn't in the classic box. So yeah, beautiful, beautiful. Then the pattern this month is a new to the boxes pattern company, Atelier Jupe. We haven't had their patterns in the boxes before. And this is the Zoe blouse, which is a really simple shape. It's just pull on over your head kind of blouse, but it's got a V neckline, which is quite nice because a lot of the blouses that I've seen lately are higher neck or round neck. So it's nice to see a V neck and lovely puffy sleeves that aren't too dramatic. So if you're on the fence about big dramatic sleeves, this is a good one to have a go with. Beautiful, beautiful pattern there. And then the fabric in the luxury box was this, again, viscose crepe in this like watercolor splash. Isn't it stunning? These pinks and blues, different pinks, a bit of purple in there as well. It's absolutely gorgeous. I have this set out on my big table ready to cut into the Anthea blouse, and I cannot wait to start wearing this, especially once it finally warms up in the weather department. But yes, isn't it beautiful? I love it. I love how it looks like someone's just sort of splashed paint around and had real fun with it. It's so beautiful, so vibrant. I can't wait to wear it. So there we go. Those are the March SewHayleyJane boxes. The website is now open for new subscribers who will get their first box in April. I have just finalised a very exciting gift for the April boxes. Cannot wait to get my hands on. They are being made at the moment. I'm very excited. So yes, if you are interested in subscribing, head over to the website and take a look. Give this video a like and subscribe to my channel if you aren't already subscribed, and comment below. Let me know if you got the boxes, what you're planning to make, or if you haven't got your hands on these boxes, what would you make with these fabrics? I would love to know. Thank you so much everyone for watching. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you all really soon. Bye.